He's been breaking for 10 years straight, so you know he's here to
Marge,
stay.
get my stun gun.
The energy's a thriller, and the cards are always killer. Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
All right, guys. This is break 4. Nicola Dolo. Hey, Lewis Robert. It's probably going to be his prospect card, though, right? Matt Manning. Yeah, and Lewis Robert. Yeah, Lewis Robert. And Matt Manning. All right, nothing crazy. Color, though, for the Detroit Tigers. Phil, what's up, buddy? Terrain. I think I put you in this break. Or maybe this is the one I didn't. Yeah, no, I didn't put you in this one. I put you in one earlier, and I was like, maybe I should stop just arbitrarily putting you in breaks. Bayron Laura. If you hit a Bayron early, you could get Lewis Robert. Maybe. You might get Lewis Robert like in the last pack. Duran. It's a nice card. For the Red Sox. Alright, let's see if we got him. How you like me now, huh? How you like me now? I've opened a lot of this stuff. For the White Sox, ORB 716. I don't know who that is. Congratulations. All right, let's do the auto. Kanan Smith, Evan White, and I think that's the way it'll go, so I'll try this way, and this will be the wrong way. Oh, no, it's right. Varland. Gus Varland for the Athletics and Ramrod. All right, guys, box 2, break 4. Jamie, the best hit so far today is your card, and you know it. What are you talking about? That's probably going to make the video. Let's ask him. Hey, all about sports cards. Is Jamie's red Xavier Edwards going to make the video this week? It's a pretty good one. Wander Franco. Kybert Ruiz. Balzovic. Brennan Davis. I went to the website and I said, give me all your boxes. And they said, give me all your money. So I did that and they did this, and then that's how I got the boxes. They still have some up, right? They were sold out for a couple days, but I think they've got more up today. At least they did. Does Blowout still have boxes, guys? Does anybody know? Ooh, I like this one. Cardenas for the Rays. I like it. Who's got the Rays? Rick Ellis. Congratulations, bro. That's a nice card. It's probably not, you're not going to retire on it, but I like it. Basketball, schmasketball, bro. Schmasketball. Mostown said, yeah. All right, last box. Sejas. John Diaz. It's another good card for the Rays, John Diaz. Josh Young. Kanan Smith. And where are we? What are we doing? De La Cruz. Have we hit any of the big cards? I don't. There's a big card. And a green auto. So Lewis Robert and a green auto. But I feel like we haven't hit Dominguez. And we're not gonna if we just hit Lewis Robert. Mauricio for the Mets. Ronnie Mauricio. Captain Wolo. Captain Wolo. Lewis Robert. Nice card. I think we got 2 of those, but nothing to go with it. Damn it. Jackson Rutledge again. This one's a green. Jackson Rutledge for the Nationals. A. Reyes, 115. Bro, this is terrible. All right, let's see what we got. Jackson Rutledge, Lewis Robert, Mauricio Cardenas, Brennan Davis, Wander Franco, Volpe, Gus Varlin, Lewis Robert, Bayron Lora, Matt Manning, and Lewis Robert. So, yeah, it was great for the White Sox orb, but Mark Abram did not have a good. Well, I mean, he got Volpe. He's going to be mad. And the Royals didn't hit either. Who had the Royals? Pitch 12. Bro. Yes, quite linty. It's crazy to hit 2 Roberts too and no Dominguez when they're so close to each other.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications. If you enjoyed what you watched, smash the like button. And if you're looking for a great group break, remember,
He's been breaking for 10 years straight. Who knows what he'll pull today? Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
this has been a production of CFB TV.